The L7 comes with an array of applications pre-installed to aid productivity, engagement, and communication. Apps can be accessed either through the My Apps widget or the Apps button on the toolbar for the list of all apps installed on the device. You can always install additional apps by visiting the OneScreen Store. Apart from the apps visible on the first page, you can press the search button on the lower right-hand corner to search for an app you want to install. Press on the app you are looking for and then Install at the bottom. Now you can open it for the first time by directly pressing Open. Remember, the app will now always be available on the apps list, and to uninstall it or any other app, press and hold the app's icon and drag it to the uninstall option at the bottom. Remember, if you face any difficulty while using or installing a particular app, contact the OneScreen Guru team.